Hello everyone, Model Rock 321 here. Welcome back to another rocket of the day. If you've been around, you already know about this bird right here. This is my Project X SR-71 Blackbird. Check the archive videos. You'll see the story and history on this rocket right here. I was actually featured in Sport Rocketry magazine for this rocket right here. This is a dual engine SR-71 Blackbird. The tail cone's missing, it's in the drawer. It just came apart a little while ago. But it takes two engines. One goes here. I'll have another casing. I should have been ready. I'll have a casing sitting around to show you. But anyway, oh, here's one. Here's one. So one engine goes there, and one will go here. Typically 2C engines, really fast, and you'll get ejection charge fired. It will go across and fire a tail cone with the parachute coming out the back. And super fast, had many issues with it, many crashes, but I did get it to work before retirement. This jet was super fast. You can see all this is rebuilt. All that silver you see just been rebuilt many times. You can see some cracking and stuff there, because I just this is kind of like a card stock. I hardened it in some places where I could, and it was a super flyer. It was a great bird, great story. Like I said, it's in a Sport Rocketry from last year. I think it was September issue of last year. I think that was 1 year, like 1 year ago, pretty much. Yeah, but super proud of this one. Project X decal right there. Super fast bird, one of my favorites. Story behind it. If you had a chance, well, Model Rock, my trading cards had images of this one. Even on the website, you can buy an image of this, and I'll sign it for you. If you check the website, should be below. If it's not in this link, check another one of my other videos, and you will see a link to some more links to my website where you can get a signed card of the SR-71 Blackbird, the Project X version. So yeah, a lot of fun. Like I said, two engines, one go there, one go there. If you know anything about this rocket, it typically comes with one, and it just pushed the parachute out the front. I made it so the gas will travel forward, and they went across a conduit that's built under here. You can't see. There's a wall in here blocking the gases, and it pushes the tail cone out the back. And that's how it went. And this is another close to a rocket of the day video. SR-71 Blackbird, which is really a jet, American spy plane, super fast, outrun missiles, all that kind of cool stuff. And this is Model Rock 321, and I will see you back with another video. Be sure to go to sdsrockets.com, put in a discount code IN_321, get your engines, rockets, parachutes, all kind of stuff. Use that discount code. Thank you for your support, and I'm out.